Welcome to another video on how much YouTubers make. Today we'll be looking into the king of DIYs. To understand his statistics, I'll be going over his channel through Social Blade. As I am recording this video, we can see that his channel has over 800 video uploads along with 1.39 million subscribers, giving him a total video views of over 307 million. Going down with his daily YouTube analytics summary for his activities of the past month, his daily average views would amount up to 39.2 thousand views. He also has a total of over 274.5 thousand views weekly and an accumulated video views of over 1.1 million for the past month. Now, with his daily average views data on hand, we'll go ahead and input this amount to Social Blade's money calculator along with YouTube's usual CPM. CPM meaning cost per thousand views, which usually ranges from less than $1 up to $10. This all depends on how well your channel is going, how many ads you have in your video, how long your audience views the ads, and whether they open the ads or not. The country from where your audience are also affects your CPM value, but in this video, we are going to use $5 CPM to match their average. With this, we see that his channel earns $195 daily, $5,850 monthly, and an estimated yearly projection of $70,200. However, with all these earnings, YouTube takes about 45% of the YouTuber's total income. After taking 45%, the king of DIYs more or less earns $107.25 daily, $3,217.5 monthly, and an annual earning of $38,610. With all this data that I have gathered, I sincerely hope for the king of DIY to foster as a YouTube content creator, and I'm genuinely praying for his continued success. Do check out his channel and subscribe if you're into his content, and don't forget to like our video as well if you loved it, and subscribe to see more videos like this. Thank you and see you in the next video.